In today's episode, we'll show you how to paint a perfect French manicure in 3 ways. Which one will be your favorite?
Hi, my name is Connie, and this is a channel dedicated to the art of nail styling. In today's episode, we'll show you how to do a French gel manicure in 3 ways, step by step. Enjoy!
Here's a list of products we'll use in today's episode. A 100 to 180 grit file, a 100 to 180 grit buffer, a cuticle pusher, Indigo cuticle bit number 9, cuticle bit number 1, cuticle bit number 5, acid-free primer, mineral base in blush, gel polish in Mr. White, Master Nail Art 006 brush, Pro White top coat, wipe-off cleaner, and Sheer Super Shine Effect cleaner.
A French is an absolute classic amongst gel stylings. Actually, it's the ultimate classic of the whole nail industry. Every time I think it's starting to go out of style, Instagram quickly proves me wrong. French manicures are not just a typical snow white tip on a nude background. There are plenty of colourful variations. We don't know the time or the day when a client will ask for this particular styling, and we need to know how to do it perfectly.
We start, as always, with hand disinfection, then move to prepare the nail plate. We start by shaping the nails by adjusting their shape to the natural nail plate. Then even out the free edge and buff the whole surface. In the case of our model, we will make a rounded square. We must remember to make sure the side edges run straight out of the natural nail growth point. We mustn't file through them. We file the free edge straight and round the edges slightly. This will make the nails a little more practical. We buff the entire surface with a 180 grit buffer. We push the cuticles back with a cuticle pusher and move on to working with an e-file. We reach for cuticle bit number 9, set to a speed of between 10 and 15,000 RPM, and move parallel to the nail wall in a push-sweep motion. We switch to the cuticle bit number 1, which will help us open up the nail wall. We continue to remove cuticle residue from the surface. First, we work in one direction, then once all the nails are done, we change the rotation.
It's a clever way to speed up our work in the salon. And if you want to learn more tricks like this one, then do watch our episode entitled 10 Gel Manicure Tricks All Nail Stylists Should Know.
We take the Indigo cuticle bit number 5. This time we'll work with a much lower speed, below 10,000 RPM, to polish the nail wall, removing any cuticle residue. Remember not to linger in one place because the rotation force could burn our client's skin. We wipe the nail plate with cleaner number 1, not forgetting to wipe the area by the cuticles. We apply acid-free primer and match the base shade to our client's skin tone. We decided to go with a mineral base in blush. We apply a thin layer and cure it in the lamp for 30 seconds. We move on to the overlay. We cover the nail plate thinly with the base and secure the free edge. We apply a bigger ball in the apex area, push the product under the cuticles, and spread it towards the free edge in a side-to-side motion. We flip our client's hand upside down and let gravity create a perfect upper arch. Time to paint the French tip. We'll achieve it with the help of gel polish in Mr. White.
There are many methods for a French manicure. Now, we're going to show you 3, and you will decide which one you like the most. Let us know in the comments below.
Method number 1 is painting with a thin brush, for example, the Master Nail Art 006 brush. We place some Mr. White onto our nail art palette, we place the brush in the middle of the nail, and drag it along the smile line to the side wall. Then we turn the client's nail towards us, pick up more product, and paint the other side. We place the bristles in the middle and drag to the side. Once the initial border of the smile line is ready, we fill in the free edge of the French tip. We cure it in the lamp for 30 seconds. We cover the styling with a Pro White top coat, which, thanks to a high concentration of UV factors, perfectly protects pale and pastel shades from yellowing. We cure everything in the lamp for 60 seconds. The Pro White top coat has a dispersion layer, so we need to wait about 60 seconds before wiping it off with the Sheer Super Shine Effect cleaner. Otherwise, the styling could go matte. Method number 2 is painting a French tip using a gel brush. We remove any excess product from the brush. We only need a minimal amount. We paint gently using the corner of the bristles. If the side walls get in the way of painting, we can finish off the smile line ends using a thin brush. We cure in the lamp for 30 seconds. Just like before, we secure the whole design using the Pro White top coat and cure in the lamp for 60 seconds. Method number 3 is a pattern.
This technique is useful mainly for long nails, but who knows? Maybe you'll like it so much that you'll use it not just on long nails, but on short French stylings too.
We start by marking the height of the French tip manicure. It can reach no further than halfway up the natural nail plate. The shorter the nail, the lower the curves of the tip need to be. We mark their location on the fingertip. In the case of a square nail, we divide the free edge into 3 even sections. Now we connect the dots driving the brush in a straight line. The height of the smile line is 1/4 of that straight line. We paint along, then round the smile line. We use a thin brush to fill in the French tip. If we want to achieve very thin side tips, we drive the brush from the middle towards the nail fold, as if we wanted to drag the colour from the middle using the very tip of the brush. Before curing, we remove the dots painted on the fold. We can do this with a square edge of a gel brush or a wooden stick. Yet again, we secure the design with the Pro White top coat. This is what a finished French manicure looks like, made in 3 different ways.
And that's it for our episode today. As you can see, the 3 different French manicure methods gave us exactly the same result. Therefore, you can choose the one that works best for you and focus on perfecting it. Remember, here every Wednesday with brand new material. See you then!